When Eric Franson opened Shuffle's Cafe nearly 2 years ago, he did it for the love of the game.
A love of gaming, a love of food, a love of good drinks, a love of coffee. So all these things are kind of at the intersection of what Shuffles is and what we hope to offer.
This American restaurant featuring tabletop board games serves up great food and great fun.
It's just something new. It gets people in here, gets them interacting, and keeps them off their phones for the most part.
It's a really great place to be able to have some fun, happy memories that you can make with your families and friends. And find a game you've never played before.
That's easy to do. There are more than 1,000 games in the collection. Would you say you've played every game in here?
I would say that I wish I had played every game in here.
Well, you're too busy running your business.
I'm too busy running it, but I still make time to game. I game about twice a week.
At Shuffles, you'll find classics and rare titles, and they add about 24 new games each month. Draftosaurus is currently a top pick.
Which is this adorable little game with these wooden dinosaurs where you're drafting dinosaurs like you would draft an NFL team or something.
The game library is color-coded for difficulty, categorized, and alphabetized to help make your selection easier. Everything is listed on the cafe's website, plus staffers are there to help.
The Choose Your Own Adventure books.
Yes, I loved these books. So that's a game based off those
Yep,
books?
where you're going through it, determining your storyline based on card play.
Once you choose your game, you then pay to play.
Typically, you pay $6 for unlimited gaming per person. Tuesday is half price night with trivia. And then Friday and Saturday are what we call our surge times. And those times are $5 an hour per person. Because we're usually so busy, we have to find a way to move people in and out so people aren't stranded on the wait list.
Gameplay is included with a lunch purchase on Friday, the only weekday the cafe is open for lunch. The food here is wonderful and made fresh to order.
Chicken and waffles, top notch. Yeah. I mean, they were delicious.
We make our pickles in-house and then we pan bread them, and so our fried pickles are to die for. You'll also find those pickles on our burger with, we have an Angus meat burger with a chef's blend of cheese and a Russian dressing on it.
You can stop in to just eat or drink. There's a full craft cocktail bar with local beer and specialty coffees.
We also have what I call an aggressive milkshake program. Our milkshakes outsell our beer probably 2 to 1, oddly. So we have milkshakes with booze in them and milkshakes that are just without booze.
This is a banana pudding milkshake.
What do you think?
I think it's amazing.
And when you come here, be sure to check out the furnishings too. Eric custom designed the lighting, the chairs, the tables, so you have the perfect spot for your food, for your drinks, and for your fun.
And it's three-legged, so a three-legged table can never wobble. One of my biggest pet peeves.
Shuffles also has karaoke, Dungeons and Dragons nights, and a summer camp for kids. Plus, it's open for private events.
We'll have a lot of groups come in here and do corporate team building, holiday parties, and that's not uncommon, so we'll usually have about 1 to 2 of those a week.
Shuffle's Board Game Café, where a good time is the name of the game.
As soon as I walked in here, I was smiling.
In Tulsa, I'm Julie Chin, discovering Oklahoma.